Today we are making the long-awaited green banana, and I'm just making sure to say green banana because some people don't know this porridge, and if I just say banana they might think it's ripe banana. So it's banana porridge made from green banana. First I'll show you the North American way of peeling a green banana, because I know my daughters can't peel it with their thumb like we usually do in Jamaica, so I'll show you. You get the ends off, and you see all these little edges here, you score along there and then you lift it off. So here goes. You put the point of the knife under and you cut around and you lift. The old way of, or normal way of making the porridge is to grate the banana, but I'm gonna blend it in the blender, which is easy and good. In this measuring cup, I've got 1 cup of water and 1 cup of milk, and I'm going to use some of it, half of it or more, to blend the banana, which I'll do over here, Angela. Cap on, take the stopper out, and I drop a couple pieces in to get started. Put the cap back. I should have mentioned that was 5 bananas that I blended, and we'll see how many bowls we get out of that, probably 3. I'll just rinse out with the rest from the 2 cups of milk and water that I had. So there you go, it's nice and thick, and as you cook, if it gets thicker, then you have to add some more milk. Here are the spices: cinnamon, nutmeg, allspice, and salt. Not much to say now, we just have to wait for it to start bubbling while I blend this in. You know, cinnamon, how hard it is to blend in. That's why most of the time I don't use it, I just use a piece of cinnamon stick. The porridge is a bit thick, so I'm going to add some more hot milk, about a cup. And just in case when you're making your banana porridge, it's not as thick as you need it, then you can do a little thickening with some cornstarch. Most people prefer not to. But I have done that and it's fine. I'm cooking it on a slow fire because I don't want it to get burned in the bottom of the pot. So cook it slowly. I'm just going to sweeten it now with condensed milk. We Jamaicans like our condensed milk. And some vanilla. I'm going to add about a teaspoon full of vanilla. No flavoring. For a little flavoring with the rest of the spices that I put in before. Stirring in the condensed milk, and then I'll do a taste test and a thickness test. If you're adding milk, make sure it's hot milk. I'm going to add some more condensed milk, so I'll probably use about a half of the tin for this amount, but just sweeten to taste. If you don't want to add the condensed milk, just use sugar. You're going to have a bowl of porridge in the morning, like the old saying go, you need something that will hold you, not a watery thing. So here we have the banana porridge. And like I said, you can add hot milk. Bring it to the consistency that you would like. I'm keeping mine like this. And go to the website, Cook Like a Jamaican, and you'll find the measurements and the recipe. And enjoy and let me know which way you went, thick or thin. Okay, bye for now. When you call and say, I told you to come in today, I was thinking, I was going to have my shower to go line up. Oh dear. Start again? Yes.